Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do.
Welcome back to KMB TV. It's your girl B. In today's video, I will be making brownies, and it comes with the candy bites. Look how cool! But I don't have the green frosting. I had actually got the black one, and it also comes with this, with those little sprinkles. So it comes with this. Oh, and these are the candy bites, like what you see right here. I already got everything set up. I just needed a quarter pound of water, 2/3 of olive oil, well, 2 whole eggs. It's the same shit. Anyways, what's up, guys? How are y'all feeling today? Y'all gotta go check out the video that we just dropped too, with the craving pumpkins. Baby did a good job. Every year is like amazing. So how y'all doing today, guys? How y'all feeling in this Sunday? No lie, I've been feeling really peaceful. Like, I could be home all day and be in peace. No lie. Let me move this down for you guys. Hold on. Yes, I was like, let me put the camera down so that way y'all guys can see what I'm doing.
Frustration, watching you dance, hesitation to get in your pants.
You gotta keep whipping it. No.
I'm moving too fast, 'cause I ain't leaving alone. Feel like I could be honest, babe. We both know that we're grown. That's why I wanna know, how many drinks would it take you to leave with me? Yeah, you look good and I got money, but I know.
Hey guys, so I'm back. So this is all done. I just mixed it all together. I'm gonna put in this pan. I did not have no bacon spray, so I just added some butter. Just a little bit, not too much. That's why I wanna know, how many drinks would it take you to leave with me? Yeah, you look good and I got money, but I don't wanna waste my time. Back of my mind, I'm hoping you said 2 or 3. You look good, we can't afford it, but I don't wanna waste my time. Guys, I just know that I had chocolate right here. I don't know if y'all noticed that, but comment down below if y'all saw a chocolate right here. Y'all hear that noise? It's time to put these brownies in the oven. So I just set it to 350. I'm gonna leave it in for 35 minutes. So stay tuned when I take them out. The brownies just stopped in the oven. I'm about to remove it from the oven right now. Give me a second. They are done. So this is how it sugar out the oven. I'm gonna let it sit for a little while, and then I'm gonna put the frosting on the side and put the frosting. Sorry. So I'm gonna let it sit, and I'm gonna put the frosting on the top, and then I'm gonna decorate with this and the icing. So stay tuned. It looks so good. I got something to show you guys. So that's what's in here. Just guess. What's that a little washer and a spinner. I'll give this. I just got it, so I'll just give it a 9. The only reason why I give it a 9 and not a 10 is because the spinner is only 5 minutes. So I'll like have to spin it like 4 or 5 times for 5 minutes because I want it really, really damp. I don't want it soaked and wet. But it's coming out really, really good. It don't feel wet, it's just damp. You know, you just gotta air dry for probably like 2-3 hours. I don't have to leave my house to go wash clothes anymore. I could just wash my clothes in my house, possibly. But stay tuned for the brownies later. Now let me stop. It's been like an hour now, so I'm about to put the icing on top and decorate it a little bit. I'm not gonna put too much. What is it? Eyeballs. Back, baby. But look at my brownie, guys. It looks so yummy. It looks so f***ing good. I can't wait to tear this shit out. Look how cute it came out. Babe, come here. They want to say hi.
What's up? You want me to be a taste test dummy?
Yeah. Alright, baby, you gotta come here and try and find all of them.
Amazing.
I can't because she don't want to be on camera today, guys. This is fire. Even my baby said it's amazing. So that sums up the video. I love you guys, and if this is your first time watching and you never subscribe, please subscribe, share our video, and comment down below and send us some questions so we can do some Q&A. Feel me? My brownies, they came out so delicious. Anyways, until next time,
I do what I want to.
Compton. I do.
I do what I want.
I do what I wanna.
I do what I want.
I do what I want.
I be flexing with your
I
bitch,
do what
nigga.
I wanna.
Hey, tryna get rich,
I do what
nigga.
I want.
Hey, tell her use her
I
lips,
do what I
nigga.
wanna.
Ooh.